In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can disable TalkBack on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. But before I actually show you how to do that, I need to explain how to navigate on this phone when a TalkBack is enabled, because the navigation is slightly altered. So any gesture that you can do on this phone, whether it is scrolling up and down in settings or on pages, or let's say on the home screen or whatever, you have to do that with 2 fingers now. So usually you do that with 1 finger, now you have to do 2 fingers. And any option or button that you can select, anything that can be selected, anything that can be used, you have to tap on it once in order to highlight it, and then double tap anywhere on this screen in order to confirm that this is what you want to use. This also includes buttons that we have at the bottom of the screen. So first, I'm gonna just completely turn off this menu over here. I'm gonna go back to the home screen, so I'm gonna use Recents or Background Apps. So I need to tap on the Recents button once and then double tap anywhere to open it. And let's say if I want to close settings, I need to use 2 fingers to just swipe up like that, and I can do this. There we go. So now, starting from the home screen, we need to, of course, open settings. Now, if you need to go to App Drawer, use 2 fingers to swipe up to open the App Drawer, and then we're gonna scroll down with 2 fingers to find settings. Tap on settings once to select it, and then double tap to confirm. Now we're gonna scroll down in here, of course, use 2 fingers, and you want to choose accessibility. So tap once and then double tap. And then we're gonna tap on the TalkBack once and then double tap. And then over here we have the use TalkBack switcher, so we're gonna tap on it once and then double tap. Then tap on the turn off button and double tap to confirm. And there we go, now TalkBack is disabled. Leave a like and subscribe.